Welcome to the there.View OPPO Find X5 Lite, and I'll show you how to check battery health on this device. So first, let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter Ampere. Now we should tap to install to get this application. And after that we should click just to open the app. Then tap here yes, agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. Now we can see here the information about our device battery health, and in my case that's good. Also we can find here more information like the battery level, capacity, device voltage, Android version, model of our smartphone, and more other information. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.